your new vision.
The DJI Avata is my favorite drone for people who want to fly, not just film. The starter kit comes with a wand and goggles that let you skim and soar to your heart's delight with a first-person view from the sky. There are a lot of changes to cover here, and they're admittedly not all as impressive. The overall story seems great. A larger 1/1.3-inch camera sensor with larger pixels to capture more light. DJI estimates 2 more stops of dynamic range, for more minutes of battery life, at 23 minutes. 5 more degrees of gimbal tilt, -85 degrees to 80 degrees, and 3 more kilometers of maximum range, 13 kilometers, all in a flatter. More aerodynamic package that weighs 28 grams less than its predecessor, now 377 g at takeoff. While the original Avata always felt a little top and front heavy and might rattle a bit in a dive, my colleague Jaron Povich is already finding the Avata 2's 16mm shorter and 32mm wider frame is more stable in the air, even though its new 3-bladed propellers offer the same top speeds. It also has backward collision avoidance now, though no forward collision sensors yet. Meanwhile, the new DJI Goggles 3, which let you see through the drone's eye as it flies, now has a built-in battery and GPS, meaning no more dangling battery pack and no more phone tether required for remote ID. The dual 1080p, 700 nit micro LED headset also now boasts an extra hour of battery life over the original. A one-tap defogging function that spins up its fans to clear away condensation, 2 extra antennas and a new synchronization algorithm for what DJI claims is smoother and more stable video transmission, and a 60 megabits per second maximum video bitrate, up from 50 megabits per second, though the goggle frame